Hi folks, here we are again, Swaney's Auto Sales in beautiful Newton, North Carolina. We got a 2000 model Ford F250 service truck. It's a Ford F250 XL Super Duty. It's got a 5.4 Triton V8, running boards, white in color. Now the XL package just got the vinyl flooring. Does have an automatic overdrive transmission. It is 4x4. It's got ice cold air conditioning. It's got a nice AM/FM radio. Headliner's good. Seat's got one little hole in it, small one, right there where the driver sit. Now this bed is by Stahl, S-T-A-H-L. 6 compartments. It's in pretty good shape. Just needs a job. Good solid truck. It does have a place for a tow ball on the back bumper. Of course, there's 3 more compartments on this side. Pretty well taken care of. Now like I said, it's got the 5.4 liter Triton V8. Runs out good. Give us a call toll free here at Swaney's, 1-888-892-9063. Once again, toll free, 1-888-892-9063. Thank you.